Hello students, welcome to this fifth lecture on matrices topic. In this chapter, we shall study various operations on matrices. In this lecture, matrix multiplication part 2 we are going to see here. In previous lecture, we have already studied how to multiply two matrices, what is the condition to multiply two matrices. So, now starting with this question here. If A is given to us 2, 5, 6, 7, this is a matrix 2 by 2. Find A square plus 4A plus 2I, where I is unit matrix. So in this equation, what we have to find out is the value of this equation. So A square अगर हमें find out करना है, तो A square से हम start करेंगे. So we will go step by step here. A square is nothing but A matrix into A matrix. Okay, so A is 2, 5, 6, 7. Again, write down this 2, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now we know matrix multiplication. इसे एक बार देखते हैं. ये फर्स्ट रो है. फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम को मल्टीप्लाई करेगा. उसमें भी फर्स्ट एलिमेंट फर्स्ट को, सेकंड एलिमेंट सेकंड को, और बीच में कौन सी साइन है? प्लस की साइन. सो 2 into 2 is 4 plus 5 into 6 30. Okay. Then first row but second column 2 into 5. This is second column. 2 into 5 is 10. 5 into 7, that is equals to 35. Then now come to the next row. Row 2. Row 2 will be multiplied to column 1. So 6 into 2 is 12. Then 7 into 6 is 42. Then again same row but column will be second. 6 into 5 is 30. 7 into 7 is 49. Okay. So it is equals to 34, 45. Then this is 54 and this is 79. So we got value of A square here. Then second equation में second term क्या है? 4A. So we shall find out here 4A. 4A means 4 will be multiplied to A matrix 2, 5, 6, 7. It is equals to simple है 4 will be multiplied to each and every element 8, 20, 24, then 28. This is value of 4A. And lastly 2I. I is here this type of matrix, identity matrix. So I will write here 2I is equals to 2 into I matrix is written 1, 0, 0, 1. Diagonal के element are 1 and remaining are 0 here. Then it is equals to 2, 0, 0, 2. So in this way we got A square, 4A and 2I. Finally अभी हमें करना क्या है? तीनों पार्ट को कंबाइन करना है, ऐड करना है. I will write here A square plus 4A plus 2I is equals to A square की वैल्यू है 34, 45, 54, 79. Okay, plus 4A, this is 8, 20, 24, 28, plus 2, 0, 0, 2. Then add these three matrices here. So 34 plus 8 plus 2, then 45, 20, 0, 45 plus 20 plus 0. Come to the second row now. 54, 24 plus 0, 54 plus 24 plus 0, and finally 79 plus 28 plus 2. Now do this addition. 34 plus 10, it gives you 44. Then 45 plus 20, it gives you 65. then this is 78 and this is 79 plus 30. It is equals to 79 plus 30 will be equals to 109. So it is 109. It is equals to our answer. So this type of question may be asked for 4 marks. Have a look and write down. Now, this is the another question. If A is this matrix, then show that A square minus 8A is a scalar matrix. So, what is mean by scalar matrix here? First of all, we will see that scalar matrix we have already done in our first lecture. Scalar matrix का मीनिंग क्या है? अगर 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2, this is which type of matrix? It is a scalar matrix. Because diagonal elements are same or identical and remaining are 0. So हमें यहाँ पर ये वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करनी है and that matrix will be a scalar matrix that we have to prove here. So we will begin this question with solving A square. Okay, let's begin now. A square is equals to, now we know that A square is nothing but A is multiplied by A. So this is 2 4 4 4 2 4 4 4 2. Again write down same matrix here. 2 4 4 4 2 4 4 4 2. Now first row will be multiplied to first column, then second column and then third column. Let's start with this first row and first column. In that 2 into 2, it gives you 4. Then 4 into 4, 16. 4 into 4, 16. First row, first column. Okay. उसके बाद first row but second column. 2 into 4 is 8. 4 into 2 is 8. 4 into 4 is 16. Then first row but third column. So 2 into 4 is 8 plus 4 into 4 is 16. 4 into 2 is 8. Now in this way we have completed first row and all the 3 columns here. Now let's come to the second row. So second row will be multiplied to now first column. So 4 into 2 is 8 plus 8 plus 16. Then second row, second column. 4 into 4 is 16. 2 into 2 is 4 and 4 into 4 is 16. Lastly, second row, third column. This is 16. This is 8. 4 into 2 is 8. Let's do that with third row. Third row will be multiplied to first column. 4 into 2 is 8. 4 into 4 is 16. 2 into 4 is 8. Then 4 into 4 is 16. 4 into 2 is 8 and 2 into 4 is 8. Finally, 4 into 4 is 16. 4 into 4 again 16. 2 into 2 is 4. So in this way we got the multiplication. Now let's simplify this. I will simplify over here. So first value will be 16 plus 16, 32 plus 4. It gives you 36. Then 32, 32. This is 32, 36, 32. This is 32, 32, 36. So in this way we got A square here. Okay. Then 8A is equals to, now simply multiply A matrix with 8. So 2, 4, 4, 4, 2, 4, in this way we got a square here and 8a. Afterwards, finally, a square minus 8a will be equal to, write down value of a square carefully, 36, 32, 32. I will write here. So, it is 36, 32, 32, 32, 36, 32, 32, 32, 36, minus. I will write this matrix 16, 32, 32, then 32, 16, 32, 32, 32, 16. Now simple subtraction is there. 36 minus 16 gives you 20. 32 minus, it is 0. 0, 20, 0, 0, 0, 20. And now we can say it is which type of matrix? It is a scalar matrix. Therefore, here we can say a square minus 8a is scalar matrix. So, this is done for this. Now you can write this on your notebook. Let's solve this question. If 3 into matrix minus 2 into this matrix into multiplied this matrix is equal to, if it is xyz, then find values of xyz. So here we have to solve this question for x, y and z. and इसकी वैल्यूज हमें फाइंड आउट करने हैं. तो यहाँ पर पहले तो हम क्या करेंगे, we'll start with the scalar multiplication. So first of all I will multiply this matrix with 3, this matrix with only 2. This subtraction sign will remain as it is outside and we will multiply this matrix with only 2 here. So let's do that. Here it is 3 into 3 is 9, 3 into 1 3, 3 into 4 12, 0, 9 minus 3, curly bracket minus 2, 0, 4 minus 4, 6 minus 10, 8. Hope you understand. This is very simple. 3 से multiply किया, 2 से multiply किया, minus 1 to this column matrix as it is equals to x, y, z. Now let's do that subtraction. 9 minus 0, 9 minus 0, 3 minus 4, then 12 minus 4, then 0 minus 6, 9 minus of minus 10, minus 3 minus 8. Into matrix minus 1, 2 is equal to x, y, z. Now simplify this. So it gives you 9 minus 1, 16. Corrected? Minus 6. This minus minus it becomes plus. 19 and minus 11. यहाँ पर minus 1, 2 as it is equal to x, y, z. Now this is the multiplication of two matrices. So here now we can multiply these two matrices. First row will be multiplied to first column. In that 9 into minus 1 minus 9, minus 1 into 2 minus 2. ओके, खत्म हो गया. बिकॉज यहाँ पर एक ही रो है तो उसे एक ही कॉलम है, तो एक कॉलम से हमने मल्टीप्लाई किया. उसके बाद 16 इंटू माइनस 1 माइनस 16, माइनस 6 इंटू 2 माइनस 12, देन 19 इंटू माइनस 1 माइनस 19 and minus 11 into 2 minus 22. Okay, so it is x, y, z. Simplify this. Minus 11. This is minus 28. Okay. Then this is 1 and 22. This is 11 and this is 41 meters. So it is x, y, z. In this way we got the answer here. Okay, so in this question there is some mistake. 3 into minus 3, I should have written here minus 9, correct है? उसके बाद ये minus 9 minus 8, it becomes minus 9. It is minus 17, and here it should be minus 19 minus 34, and our final answer will be minus 53. So x is equal to minus 11, y is equal to minus 28, and z is equal to minus 53. So these are the values of x, y, z here. Another question of previous type. In this also x, y, z की value हमें find out करनी है. So first of all what we do, we start with the multiplication here. 2 से हम यहाँ पर multiply करेंगे. So here it becomes 132 201 312 plus, if we multiply this matrix with 2, it becomes 604 2 8 10 4 2 0. Outside matrix 1 2 3 is equal to x, y, z. Add these two matrices. 1 plus 6 7 3 6 4 8 11, then 7 3 and 2 plus 0 is 2 into 1 2 3 is equal to x, y, z. Okay. Now we are going to multiply this first row with first column. So 7 into 1 7 plus 3 into 2 is 6. 6 into 3 is 18. Then आगे क्या होगा? 4 into 1 is 4 plus 8 into 2 is 16. Then it is 33. 11 into 3. Then 7 plus 3 into 2 is 6. 2 into 3 is again 6. Is equal to, we get x, y, z. Now add these three terms. So here we get 18 plus 6 24 plus 7, it is equals to 31. ये क्या होगा? 16 plus 4 20 20 plus 33, it is equals to 53. And this is 6 plus 6 12 12 plus 7 is 19. So in this way it is equal to x, y, z. Now we know that if two matrices are equal to each other, then their corresponding elements will be also equal. So x is equals to 31, y is equals to 53, and we get z is equals to 19. In this way we can solve this type of question. These questions are asked for 4 marks. Keep in mind and note down in your notebook. Let's solve these question. Now here bracket is there. Find x and y if these two matrices are in multiplication. So it is, we are going to multiply these two matrices here. What we get here? First row, first column. I will write here LHS 1, 2, 3, 2 is multiplied to x5 minus 3 2y5, okay, is equals to 5 minus 3, 7, 7, 7, 1. So we have to get or take all the equation here, whole equation. First row multiplied to first column. So 1 into x, x, 2 into 2, 4. Then first row, second column, 1 into 5, 5, 2 into y, 2y. Then first row, third column, 1 into minus 3, minus 3, 2 into 5 is 10. Matrix completed. Then second row, first column, 3 into x, 3x plus 4, 2 into 2, 4. I will put it here. Then second row, second column, 3 into 5, 15 plus 2 into y, 2y. Then second row, third column, 3 into minus 3, minus 9. Then it is 10. It is equals to, given to us is 5 minus 3, 7, 7, 7, 1. Now, here we have to calculate value of x, y, z. So, further x plus 4, 5 plus 2y, this is 7. Then 3x plus 4, 15 plus 2y, 1. 5 minus 3, 7, 7, 7, 1. Now, given to us is these two matrices are equal to each other. So, corresponding elements will be equal. So, either of the equation you can use, either you can use x plus 4 is equals to 5 or you can use 3x plus 4 is equals to 7. It will give you the same answer here. So, x plus 4 is equals to, if I write 5, okay, because two matrices are equal, then I can write this. So, it is 5 minus 4 and x is equals to 1. I got value of x here. Similarly, if you want to find out value of y here, then I will take this equation. 15 plus 2y is equals to, इसके इक्वल में क्या है 7. So 15 goes that side. So 2y is equal to 7 minus 15. So 2y is equal to minus 8. So 2 इसके डिवीजन में चला जाएगा. Minus 8 divided by 2 is 4. So y is nothing but minus 4. In this way we got the answer here. Now let's solve that question here. ये क्वेश्चन भी वैसे सॉल्व होगा. 4 से यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लाई, 2 से यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो 4, 8, 0, 8 minus 4, 12 minus. Now remember this minus sign remains outside and we multiply this matrix with only 2. So it is 2, 6, 2, then 4 minus 6, 8 into 2, 0 minus 1 is equal to x, y. Here curly bracket is there. So 4 minus 2, 2, 8 minus 6, 2, 0 minus 2, minus 2, then 8 minus 4, 4, minus 4, minus minus it becomes plus. So plus 6 minus 4 is 2, 12 minus 8 is 4 into 2, 0 minus 1 is equal to x, y. Now this is the multiplication of two matrices. First row will be multiplied to first column. 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 0 is 0. Minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 1. ये हो गया फर्स्ट रो से फर्स्ट कॉलम का मल्टीप्लिकेशन. देन यू विल मल्टीप्लाई दिस मैट्रिक्स हियर. सो 4 into 2 8 ये रो और दिस कॉलम. 2 into 0 is 0. 4 into minus 1 is minus 4 is equal to given to us is x1. Again here 4 plus 1 is 5 and 8 minus 4 is 4. It is equal to x1 matrix. Now these two matrices are equal, therefore their corresponding elements will be equal. So I can write here x is equals to 5 and y is equals to 4. So in this way we have completed these two questions here. Now let's come to end of this lecture. In this lecture we have studied multiplication, various examples on multiplication of matrices. Now in the next lecture we shall study transpose of a matrix. Let's start this topic in the next video. Now you can see all my videos on this channel on determinant, logarithm and matrices. Till then, it's goodbye for you, and like, share and subscribe this channel if you like this. Thank you for listening.